Hi, this is Susan. Are you the type of person that likes to see things running smoothly and you're energized just by getting things done? Well, you might have something in common with the personality type ESTJ. They're what we call the Chief Executive Officers. So their personality type is that you're a leader and want to see things running smoothly and effectively. You're good at organizing systems, developing plans, and getting into action and following projects through to completion. You're disciplined, responsible, stable, organized, and have a good work ethic. You focus on the present and like working with people, and you're not interested in abstract ideas, but you really are energized just by getting things done. So if you can relate to this personality type, ask yourself, what problem are you passionate about solving? Who are the people you love helping? And what are the activities you're energized by doing? So comment below and let me know what you learned about yourself in this video.